person go dey gist with you, you go dey form not hearing.
She. No, they see.
Why you follow me wear white and black?
Wait till they do. Wait. Oh, no, na black and white.
Why you follow me wear white and black?
Na mistake, Joe. And they look my muscle, Joe. When they worry you.
Wait.
See, she. Okogan, give me your power. Gain another one. Gain is a miracle. Do up close and personal for us now. Hey. No. Put cocoa for my hand. When they worry you.
Mayweather. Mayweather you.
No, you get one with the small. They do like this. Bam, you can see one cocoa go right.
Oh yeah. No cocoa.
Come over there. You never get past them. I want to fight for us. That was it.
Shebi I still no get power.
That was it.
Shebi I still no get power.
That was it. Now for the blessing, you can go time the Moscow under the pendulum.
He just called it pendulum. This guy is not well. Not well at all.
Under the pendulum. They say, all these doctors, they can call rubbish for us. They say, well, actually, look, I have to tell you that your pendulum is not...
it's inverse, inverse, no. And it's supposed to be direct because your
the ejectandum,
yes,
behind the premium,
yes, and then the rectophagus,
yeah,
the rectophagus is not really aligned.
Yeah, and there's a little distortion with your mitochondria.
Yeah, so yes, and then your membranes are not really solidifying.
After everything, they say, Doctor, please, can you please just explain to us?
You have headache.
In layman term, you have headache.
You have headache.
So all the language is for us. That it's not to confuse our life and to make medicine expensive.
You have headache.
What's wrong with you?
That is all. All they have been trying to say since. You have fever.
Finish.
That's what they are trying to talk since.
And their writing, no, they ever clear.
They'll tell you, are you having a very watery excreta?
Oh, ja.
Does your excreta feel uncomfortable? Is your stomach giving you a round some movement? All they are trying to say is you have diarrhea.
Finish. Now beyond are you frequent at the toilet? And what's the color of your excreta?
Yes.
So make they go to toilet now they look my.
Say
it's purple.
Either way, all we're trying to say is be safe. Lassa fever is all over the place.
Yes,
so I beg, be very safe. And if you notice symptoms, you get symptoms of Lassa fever.
Yes.
When it don't conk where it can lead to deafness. All right.
But the same symptoms.
Face.
The symptoms when you also carry they be like fever symptoms, malaria fever.
Body temperature, swollen face. You understand? Diarrhea, and then your body go dey hot, blood go dey come from your nose, your mouth, your eye, your your every hole.
If your body does you small like this, just go hospital.
So please,
right now,
constant check for hospital. Now be the best thing if it happen to you. And then for anybody who don't get them around, report. Look, you are doing yourself and everybody around you very good.
Yes.
All right. Report and be careful. No allow fluid contact or body contact or blood contact to join you and the person. I will take God name beg you. All right. Let's help each other in this particular Lassa outbreak. All right. Welcome to Paddy Paddy. My name is Namayowa and this is Ogbolo and together we are Magbulo. Like that.
Djokovic. You know it's normally those guys they look them sometimes when they play lawn tennis.
Yeah.
They are walking, they be like more work. They just hold umbrella for them. So we waiting him called you as a superstar will be.
Give me the umbrella.
Because you
take the baton.
I sit down them, I take my racket, make I hold the umbrella.
I
get drinks.
Take. Let's cheers.
That guy was standing there. Now he best of his life.
You don't go ever watch that cloth again.
Oh, that cloth. You know say he hold the racket, what do you look like this?
Wow.
I'm holding the golden racket.
Wow, of Djokovic.
Wow. But a very beautiful thing.
Yes.
I think every celebrity should try to do this once in a while.
Every celebrity should make it a way of life.
Yes.
Because the truth, the irony of this thing, they say, these fans, what una they form for.
Yes.
Now that make una celebrities, because if they were not available, select kakan.
Exactly. My wife, this is what you're talking about. Some people do like this. Uncle. We did try. One call me just now before show starts.
They call you the laugh.
On me. How you doing? My brother, you try. I say, but
I tell you
we love you.
I tell you my own day, you go laugh. I go put screen cover for my phone for Zakati.
Oh,
now my lipstick. I can't they look say.
Who are that?
Who be this?
Who are that?
My lipstick, cut up fish. I'll go collect this fish.
You have to collect.
I collect this fish.
Just because you try me.
Yes, thank you. You chop my fish. My lipstick chop my fish. I said, yes, we chop the fish.
My fish. Oh, my
we chop the fish.
She chop my fish. You know that it be my fish, my humble fish. My fish that I cook, my wife chop my fish. That is sound somehow. My wife chop my fish. All right, so now welcome to the Party Show. They come back right now with the yarn.
Easily and simply.
Not the thief my own, no.
Wait now, I don't even know which one be my...
Wait now.
No. See, I'm not be the same thing.
Wait, not the same thing, no. Okay. You go no person will never read what is supposed to talk.
I go tell you this thing. As devastating Zika virus, now that is the particular virus where they kill everybody for inside the Caribbean and Latin America.
Bam.
All right? Then they call them Zika virus. And they say the thing now, they move towards US and Florida. They move towards the US in places like Florida. Now, people come, they talk, say, how did they catch this particular Zika virus? Now, the virus, they say them lead them to birth defects in thousands of Brazilian babies born with heads smaller. This is caused by mosquitoes.
Yeah. That Brazilian, what they say for Brazil
yes.
now?
That particular mosquito, if it bites you as a pregnant mother,
yes.
when you born your baby head goes small past, it goes small past normal. In fact, one state where they find Zika, now the semen of a man from Tahiti.
Inside spam.
Found in the semen of a man. They find inside in water.
In German juice?
Yes, in German juice. Tahiti. Now be the name. See, the pikin head will come small compared to the body of the pikin. Now, the other, that the virus was passed from a husband to his wife after intercourse.
Wow.
Then the World Health Organization say there's still insufficient evidence to make the link, but these research papers argue otherwise. That means they're still trying to find out what exactly, how does it work? How does it happen? Do you understand? What be the link? How does it work?
Yeah, but what they cannot give the mosquito now, it can be anything now. If it be anything, how many children don't come out like this?
No, quite a lot. They say they've been having many cases in Brazil. They've been having many cases.
Yeah, but now that means these mosquitoes them not be the normal one that they get before. Because it's not normal case when they get before when mosquito they not like for year now. For year we mosquito now our neighbor. Yeah.
See, they say that these mosquitoes where they cause things like yellow fever.
Okay.
The same one where they cause chikungunya. There's a particular mosquito where they cause them. Even mosquito where they cause yellow fever, also be carrier of that chikungunya. Now that particular mosquito, they cause this one. You know, okay. So we know to get that kind of mosquito plenty.
I say they say no more burning of children again for inside Brazil.
For now. Between now and 2018.
No carry belly.
No carry belly because there's a possibility that when you born your child will be born with these defects.
Any Nigerian when they travel go Brazil, please. Just no say.
Don't knock the bone.
You cannot knock the bone. Okay? If I tell you need to, just wear your, you understand? And just do all right. All right? Okay. You say you get the kind of money where they call stinking money.
Wow.
You get the kind of money where you
it's when you're called filthy rich.
When they say you're filthy rich.
Not filthy. Filthy.
No, filthy. You
Filthy
go add the finesse to them.
As in emphasis on
You throw on it.
Yes.
It's filthy.
Filthy.
Rich.
Yeah.
You just go buy island. For nothing.
For no reason. Why do you buy the island? I like the spelling.
Yes. You know, you just go and buy one island for nowhere. Then go filthy rich. Now, photo of potato. I repeat. Photo or picture of potato. Guess how much they sell them? $1 million for waiting. Now, see now the potato we got chop remain.
No.
Which potato be this one? They say, according to the independent and European businessman, independent, one European businessman purchased this photo of potato for €1 million. Okay, not even euros, sef. 1 million. They say not the potato itself make the photograph very, very expensive. Now because it was taken by a acclaimed photographer, one big photographer.
So now the Kevin, big photographer make can buy.
So now person will actually photograph the thing, now make the thing come cost. Oh, for this life you go get value. Make it miss anything where you just touch just onto gold. Now be this case so. Say but on top of the whole thing, they say well, in a very, very absurd price for person to pay for photo of potato. Worth €1 million. Any which way, last, Mayowa, anything where you can't put. Because this one now the person will snap the photo, then come make the photograph cost.
Now make.
Not really the photo of the potato.
You know they go say, Mayowa wear this shirt. I want to buy it for $1 million.
Exactly. Just like when they auction Michael Jackson cloth. Money. Money. When children go take they all right for the rest of their years and life. Money. Oh, now my prayer for you. What you touch will turn to gold.
Yes.
It will turn to gold.
Yes.
Not say you go touch something, it will turn to ashes.
Yes.
It will turn to beauty.
Yes.
Hello? Amen for you.
Break.
Break, 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 break.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Carry.
How we want to do it now?
Just join your hand together.
We just...
Don't do.
You get how you go take... What's it? We never go start, I don't shout.
Wicked.
You never go start, I don't shout.
You want to bend my brain. Hand.
Which brain? No, for your hand, your brain.
My handy brain cell.
Now you want to go try nonsense now. Where you know say you not fit try. You go to do this thing, I can't... Meanwhile, you not fit do anything. No be your base, there be that one. You know see all the women, they jump up and down. When I'm men, no.
Continue to do this thing, you go sleep.
Don't go and try it at home. Please, don't try this at home, please. Make sure.
Stop making
please, we take God beg you. But we'll continue the video next time. Don't worry. Because a long one kind. That's to show you, say, human being, things we will feed do it ourselves. No. Plenty things there. But Africans, we get our own kind bone. At the same time, we also get our type of body. So, behave yourself where you are. Oh, yeah?
All right. This my next gist. It's Mrs. Frayinka Ayinde. They don't arrest them, then detain them for inside Idimu division on charges of vandalization of NNPC pipeline.
What?
I'm gonna tell you how. For
That's
inside Isheri Olofin for inside Lagos.
Wow. Juicy.
Yes.
Juicy.
After a pipe water well was discovered to be connected to NNPC pipeline, she go connect pipeline for water, you know, a water pipe. She go connect them, come put them for inside NNPC pipeline. So vandalize people. I be vandalism, vandals, vandalism. Then they always come her house, come siphon fuel. She said, well, after they arrest her, she come converse, say, see, this thing don't happen for the past 3 years. But my mistake be say, I know they inside though. Only say I don't tell NNPC people, say, hey, see what thing they happen. No, they say, okay, why you not tell police? She said, because I don't tell handle them. But every time they say, make I no worry. Say, person will report the incident, say, true. NNPC officials, but say the woman no bother to find out whether them be NNPC official people or not. 59. They say she done the siphon petrol illegally for her house, where they for KML 1 Lasso Road, Iyanodo bus stop for inside Isheri Olofin for the past what 3 years.
But waiting the woman as the woman take talk her own just now. If it be true, say she just look say it won't look at me. Now na sabio. As I don't tell NNPC, they can't take charge of her because really, if she don't complain, give NNPC. They're supposed to do that thing now.
Because the person actually
she can't go to carry waka again, go to find police. Waiting, now she the employer for NNPC.
Yes.
She don't complain to NNPC. They should just take care of business. And if somebody else come out now,
NNPC people they come once, but say she no bother to find out why. Say because she feel say she don't report, NNPC go handle them. Say she no dey inside. My hand is not there. They just used to enter her house and pack petrol.
That is the reason why last.
And the pipe now from her house then connect her.
They connect her, enter NNPC.
But she no dey inside.
She said, but ignorance, ignorance. Because as we talk one side, we talk another side. Ignorance, you cannot.
Maybe the people will build the house.
You cannot claim ignorance.
Yes.
Ignorance don't be excuse. You understand? As the things they happen, they ask questions. No form say, you no concern me. You no concern you if you enter jail for inside Lagos.
Be landlord.
Because if you there for Lagos, they go sell you, you no go know.
Where you be landlord. And you know as landlord they be for Lagos. You go say people they enter your house, you no know. Okay.
Ignorance. Me I dey talk from the two sides, you understand? Maybe my myself no look, say, you no concern me. But at the same time, she feels to know the whole thing when they happen. But she won't use her old age, take come up for the whole bill upping. You understand? But I beg, you where they watch. If they do bad thing, come on have a bad thing. At the same time, if you know they even do the bad thing and they happen around you, no go from say ignorance. So
if
no
you
enter
see
ignorance.
it, ask question. If you didn't know what you're gonna do, you're gonna repulse it.
Repulse it and ask the question. If you see someone could pass your house every time, they look up and down. Uncle come o.
Or go and tell another uncle that is in your area. Say, uncle, I see this uncle passing. I didn't know what uncle was. Please ask him what he's looking for.
It's better to be safe
than sorry.
All right, so for my own last gist, this one, I know you just know waiting to talk about this particular thing because I don't know. Where people just like to be busy. Because they say, I do mind is devil workshop.
So they didn't want to have a devil workshop in their mind.
Exactly. So they can't keep themselves busy. Now be this my final gist. So according to Twitter user at Madi_Tabor223, these pictures of her sister dog. Her sister dogs that they undergo training, her puppies. They undergo training and now they don't graduate from their training course. So now they are certified graduates from whatever course where they give the dog them. See their picture. The dog now don't graduate. I don't know which school you go. Maybe they train them for house to, lie down, stand up, shake, back. Go to your cage. Maybe not can finish all that course now. He can't graduate. So they can't decide to give a graduation picture and cap. You get me now?
Congratulations, puppy.
But when they fear me for this training, when they teach dog how to lie down, to roll, close your eye, different thing. If thief come, everybody bell up. The same dog would do like this. Why not you shout? He go say, woo, kilo. You understand? So, but they maybe also ask questions yourself. Even our local kita, bingo, and the remaining waiting for area. Did they feel graduate for course? Now, different question. So, well, any which way, we have to talk our own. Very, very unnecessary story. Unnecessary. Maybe tomorrow you can't give your rat there for house.
We don't
graduation.
Give you. Or a lizard.
Or your lizard.
Chai.
Or Lassa rat.
Give us laugh the laugh, mbok.
Hey. You get what find out what happened just now? Hey. Yeah. Referee. Chai. Referee walk.
My brother, you know easy.
Referee walk.
That's why they say two fighting come up for their center. They shout from back, leave yourself, because
guy missed it. He missed the guy, go give referee B. All right, my yellow stick.
Follow us on Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy. Follow me at Mayowa Lambe at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. And then on top Instagram at Mayowa Ekpo.
Yeah.
At Ogbolo. The station at Wazobia TV NG. If you decide to watch us through your data, youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy or facebook.com/Wazobia Paddy. We are there for you live and word direct.
All right, so say goodbye to everybody. Make una catch better sleep. Make una get better day. And everybody when they go hustle, go and hustle your hustle. God bless you. We will see you again. I will love you. We love you. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.